I hear over and over again that beekeepers really struggle to find their queen or to really see eggs. I get email after email of people saying, I have never seen the eggs. I can't find my queen. And those are the two most important things, I think, when you're doing a hive inspection. You got to make sure you got eggs. So today, I'm going to share with you some techniques, some tools that will help you, like, unbelievably find those queens and find those eggs. It's great. Now, in beekeeping, we have a lot of tools, but these two tools really aren't related to beekeeping, but you can use them in beekeeping. Let me show you. So Mark, we've been talking about different things beekeepers use and sharing ideas of tools and tricks, and you came up with a cool one. I want you to share it with our viewers.
Thank you.
Explain this.
Sure. This is a jeweler's set of lenses that they will use when making jewelry and need to see precise areas well focused. And that's what this is. It has an adjustable band here.
For your head.
For your head.
Yeah, tighten it up.
Right. And then it has adjustable knobs here that I can set this any position I want and it'll hold it.
The tension.
The tension, yes. And then it has a light here if it's needed. You can angle it. Yeah. It's rechargeable.
Oh, nice.
And you've got the button right here to turn it on and off.
Okay.
I don't know if it shows up in the...
Oh, it will.
That or not.
Yeah.
But yeah, you just put it on.
Yeah.
Like this. And you can swing it down, hold it up. I can try it with my...
Yeah, try it with your hat and veil.
With my hat and veil on.
Now, it worked good with mine. It probably worked fine with yours too. Yeah. You've got the special window.
Yeah, I've got this special window.
Yeah.
Allows for clarity.
So the way that we like this and why we're talking about it is because it's hard for some beekeepers, me included, to see the eggs. If you're farsighted, you have to wear reader glasses, you know, to see the eggs in there. But if you can have this in there, then you can just look normally through your regular glasses or whatever. Right. And then when you get ready to look for eggs, just kind of reach in there.
Push it down a little bit.
Yeah, swivel that down.
Look down.
Yeah, show the camera how that's just kind of going over your eyes, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's just, I can move it however I want.
People are like, oh my gosh, now I can finally see eggs. That's what everybody says, you know?
Yes.
It's like, I can't see
improvement.
It is, isn't it? Let me try it on my suit, see how it works on my suit.
Get off here.
All right. I have one of these.
There we go.
Yep.
May need to adjust it for
Whoa, you have the biggest head in the world. Oh my gosh.
You may need to pull it out.
No, I'm going to have to put a 2x4 in there to take up the slack. Wow. What do I do to make it much smaller?
You can just pull it out. Now
Oh,
you can
pull it
adjust
out. Okay.
Now you can adjust it.
I'm teasing you. You're not that much bigger. All right, I like it like that. All right, so, oh, even my glasses on, it's going to work. And here comes a bee, so I'm ready to put my hat on.
There you go.
All right, so I got my hat and veil on. Here I can just look normally at my things like I always do, but when I want to look for eggs, I just, oh, wow, this is good. Yeah. Wow. Perfect. What magnification is this one? It's strong.
It's strong.
Oh, yeah.
It gets 4 different lenses you can pop
Okay,
in
this
out.
is probably close to a 3.
Yeah.
I would guess, yeah.
Yeah. I like to use it when I'm doing queen rearing extraction of eggs.
Yeah. Wow.
Really makes a difference.
That is so good. Well, sorry you lost this one.
Well, Amazon's got a lot of them.
Okay. Thanks, Mark. That's great. Yeah, that's good.
Sure.
And it saves me from having to go out and get the sun behind my back, get everything set up just right to see an egg. So another, we're talking about tips and tools and fancy stuff we can use. So I like to treat my bees for mites with solid vaporizer. And plunged it. Watching the temperature go down. I got the entrance done. And I drilled a hole in the back, and that's how I put my vaporizer back here. As you can see, the hole here. And I need to seal it off, right? So there's a couple of options. I could use a dowel rod, which I have, and they've already propolized that a little bit, but it actually fits in the hole quite nicely. You just push it in there like that, right? And then I played around with some other ideas. I was thinking, well, I was afraid over the winter this would get wet and swell and whatever. So then I thought, okay, I bought a piece of metal, a metal dowel rod, metal bar, and I twisted it, kind of put a handle on it like that. So that would fit in there and it wouldn't change, you know, with weather. But someone left a comment on my YouTube video and said that they use golf tees. So I didn't buy just a regular wooden golf tee because I was afraid it would change with the weather. But I found some of these bigger ones like this. So now I can just put that in there, and it has a bigger handle on it, so it's easy to take off, and it won't change because it's plastic. You see me wear this shirt a lot. It says Hives for Heroes. It's an organization that really helps vets and our first responders to match them up with a beekeeping mentor, and it's a great organization. And I met Steve Jimenez at the Nevada conference that I spoke at a couple of years ago. And Steve and I had a ball together. That was so fun hanging out with Steve. And anyway, I bought this shirt before I met Steve because I just liked how it fits and I like the organization. But anyway, that's what it's all about. I'll leave a link right here. I really encourage you. Our videographer, Patrick, is a mentor in the program. He mentors another mentee. It helps those that have really gone through a lot for our country or for our community, sacrificed a lot, and maybe going through some struggles. And so beekeeping is a way to help them deal with some of those struggles. And so check it out. Maybe that's something that you want to do. You might want to start mentoring someone to help them out as well.
Now, there's a little bit of nectar on the side of the hive. Should we not worry about that? Those drips right here. I did see those falling. And if you had some water, I'll be happy to wash them.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, let's get Patrick over here to show this. So when we were inspecting a frame, some of the nectar, pollen everywhere, some of the nectar dripped there. And so, yeah, if you were really concerned in the fall about robbing, that would probably be a good thing just to wipe that off.
Okay.
But we won't worry about it. It'll be fine.
Right.
It's a good flow right now of nectar from goldenrod.
Yeah, our goldenrod isn't come through quite yet.
You have a lot of hornets come here to snatch your bees.
No, I don't. Do you guys have that?
We've
really?
had a bunch of bald-faced hornets.
Yeah. Are they bald-faced hornets?
They are.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
They're nasty. They're so big
Wow.
compared to the honey.
Yeah, they are.
They sound like almost like a helicopter coming in.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, let's move to another hive.
Okay.
This is the hive we've been following for some time. We'll let Sunshine work the next one.
Okay.
I take this cart, I like the handy things on it.
This one?
A lighter?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And it's good in wind. Watch how much, you can't really see the flame,
Oh,
but it's shooting out of
where do
flame
you get this from?
like Dollar General. It was really some common place, yeah. Oops.
I think there's a bee stuck in a spider web over here. If you wanna,
Oh, we want
I
to
think that's what
release
it's
it.
doing.
Trying to clean herself off?
I think it's stuck in the spider web. There's a spider right up above it.
Come on, little girl.
Every time I try to help a bee, it stings me and dies. It's like, I was helping you. Yeah. Set her in the entrance. Yeah, there you go. And that way the other bees, yeah.
She's there.
Wow, that was great. And she doesn't even appreciate it.
No, they don't.
Can a swarm late in the year make it through winter? Can you overwinter in a single deep? What the heck? Let's try it and see. Watch the start of this series on Can This Hive Survive Winter? A new swarm in a single deep. I'll see you guys over there.